In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your Citibank card to Google Wallet, a handy way to streamline your payments and carry fewer cards physically. So let's dive right into the process and have your card ready for contactless payments in no time. First things first, you'll need to open the Google Wallet app on your Android phone. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Once you've got it open, you'll see a range of options to manage your digital wallet. Here, you're going to tap on Add to Wallet. This is your gateway to adding new payment methods and other essentials like tickets and loyalty cards. After selecting Add to Wallet, you'll go ahead and choose Payment Card. This will prompt the app to allow you to add a new card to your account. You have two options here. You can either scan your Citibank card using your phone's camera, which is quick and convenient, or if you prefer, you can enter the card details manually. Make sure the information you provide is accurate, as this is crucial for the verification process. Now, once you've entered your card details, you'll need to follow the verification steps. Citibank takes security seriously, so they'll send you a one-time security code. This code could come via SMS or email, depending on your preferences or previous settings with Citibank. Alternatively, they might ask you to approve the card directly in the Citi mobile app. Make sure to complete this step promptly to avoid any issues. Once you've successfully verified your card, you're all set. Your Citibank card will now be activated and ready for contactless payments using Google Pay. This means you can use it at any contactless enabled terminal, simplifying your purchasing experience and keeping your wallet lighter. And there you have it. That's how to add a Citibank card to Google Wallet. It's a straightforward process that enhances the way you manage your finances and payments. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching and happy shopping with your new digital wallet setup.